Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up and repair report for the Tennessee Mountain Man on this RCI 69 base. This is the version 1. Your lights were about burnt completely out. We put some new LEDs in there for you. Aligned this thing, clarifier mod, as well as a tune and alignment and Toshiba regulator. Woke it up really good. Found several cold solder joints. This early model was the through hole board design, so there was some issues with some cold solder joints straight from the factory. Since I have done that, I've not seen the issue repeat itself, so it sounds like we've nipped it in the bud. So let me just show you what it's doing here. It was doing about 90 watts on my meter before, and from a 15 watt carrier it was swinging forward to 20 bird. So let's just see what we got here now. Our power all the way down, 50 watt slug. There's 2 watts, or actually 1.5 watts all the way down, which is plenty low. And we got you about just a hair under 14 all the way up. I'm gonna show you average power swing. 45 bird average now, so a huge increase. 100 watt slug and peak. 100 watts all the way over in the corner. Now this unit here, I did not upgrade the finals in. However, someone else had put in ERF 2030 pluses, so that is one of the big reasons why we were able to get the more output out of it safely. And I think you're gonna notice it's gonna drive your amp better, Mountain Man, and you're really gonna like it. I appreciate it from your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bum, bum.